If this appears on your nail, it's time to see a doctor immediately. Doctors remind us every summer that it's very important for us to apply sunscreen to protect our and to react if you notice any type of change on your skin. If we are not careful enough, we can get a skin cancer. But have you ever heard of nail cancer? Unfortunately, nail cancer really exists. Although this type cancer is quite rare, it's coming serious threat for everyone. All tumors that attack the skin can also appear on your nails and fingers. In fact, the tumor isn't developing on your nail, but in the tissue under the nail. This type of tumor usually appears as a light brown line under the nail and then slowly expands until the line becomes wider and darker. Fortunately, not every strange thing that appears on the fingernail or toenails is a sign of tumor. In most cases, different spots appear on the fingernails and footnails caused by lack of vitamins or minerals in the organism, and sometimes cause of mechanical damage. Some color or texture changes of the nails can be caused by many reasons, such as heavy metal poisoning, lack of oxygen in the bloodstream, kidney problems, or some other serious diseases. If you notice any type of change on your nails, you should see a doctor immediately. It doesn't matter what's the problem. The sooner you seek help, the greater the chances to cure any type of disease. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.